Alright, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by today. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, thank you for coming to the channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. We do different kind of videos on this channel: lifestyle, health tutorials, and everyday living. Alright, so today I want us to quickly do a crochet. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this crochet in this form. Alright, I parted this hair out because I'm going to be doing a kind of 1-1 here that I'm going to connect to the weaving before I roll the back. So right now I'm applying this hair wax to get the grips of the hair. I'm going to be making use of this very crochet, 42 pieces precisely. So we're going to be managing it because I don't want it to be too full, and my client has a kind of full hair, so I don't want something too big. I want something moderate for her, so we are using 42 picks. All right, so let's see how it goes. Right now I'm going to be using this is how I fix it. I'm going to be passing through this here, then the hair into, I take one section, pass it through the crochet pin, then braid it, as you can see. So this is it. Okay, can you see that? Normally if it was to be something not too big, like say I want the hair fuller, I would have been doing this for 2 lines. Okay, but I want this hair simple. I don't want it too full, so I'm using just 42 picks, and I want to make sure it goes around the hair and it's packable. Okay, so let's see it. So I'm done with this one. I don't know if you get it, so look at it. Okay, let's try another one. So I cut again. I'm cutting it a little bit big because the crochet is somehow bold, so I want it to match the crochet. And don't forget, it's 42 picks we are using here, so I'm trying to make sure at least 8 to 10 at the front, then others by the side and at the back. So can you see how I pass it through? Take a look at that. I pass it through here. It goes through the crochet braid. Can you see that? Then I braid. Can you see? That is it. So this is what we're going to be doing at the front all through. It doesn't take much time to do this very hair. It doesn't take more than say 30 to 45 minutes to get this done. So I'm done with this one, so I'm gonna go over to another one. So this is basically what we're going to be doing throughout the front part. So let's do one more, which is the last for this place. As you can see, I'm using about 9 picks at this front, so the remaining is gonna go round. Okay, so let's see. Don't forget, I fix this into the crochet before I pack the hair. In that way it's easy. Can you see that? I just braid. Can you see that? So this is it. So after this, I'm going to be cornrowing the hair. I'm going to add all this remnant to the hair I'm going to be cornrowing. But sometimes I normally do this process and I pass it through the braided crochet, but for this one I want to weave it back. like I want to cornrow it. I want to join it to the cornrow that I'm doing. So right now I'm done with the cornrowing. This is the last one. I did others off camera because I don't want this video to be lengthy. I want it as short as possible. So after doing this, I'm gonna be crocheting round, like round, because I want it to be packed in the middle so that it doesn't give any stress because it's quite long. Okay, so right now this is how we crochet it. First you put it, you add this hair to the crochet, then pass it through the hair. Can you see that? Then get this one together, close it, bring it out and pass it to this end. Yeah, this is what it is. It's that easy. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be doing for all the back. So for the back, I'm trying to see if I can use, say, 8 as well to 9. Then the remaining one will go to the corners, then some touches middle. Okay, so we are trying to make sure the 42 goes round because this my client has a kind of full hair and a big score as well. So we're trying to make sure it's not too plenty. We don't want that kind of booky hair. We want something nice, something medium. Okay, so this is what it is. So this is the extent I've got it to. I've been able to fix the both side, the back. Okay, so I'm trying to see if there are places I still need to do before I move to the middle side, if there is any one remaining, because our main focus is the round part of it, the both side, the back and the front, because we are going to be packing this hair up, okay, not down. So if you have this very crochet you've used before and you want to reuse it, this is another style you can actually do with it, and it normally comes out beautiful. Can you see what it is? So if you have a small score, you can equally use this and do it like 2 line, okay, so that it can be full and close very well. But let's see how this is gonna come out at the end of the process. So this is the last one and this is what it is. Can you see it? This is the length of the hair after packing it. So this is it, and thank you for watching.